Total solutions for any mix, any volume. All managed by Panasim Enterprise Edition. Panasonic. Total solutions beyond SMT.
Welcome to the SMT Wertheim booth here at SMT Nuremberg. I'm joined by Michael Lindenberger, who's the Corporate Account Manager for Continental. Welcome, Michael.
Hello.
So, Michael, one of the main products that you deal with Continental is the thermal chambers. You know, you have one behind us here, the SMT Cube.
Correct.
Can you maybe explain to our viewers a bit about the SMT Cube and how it works?
Yeah, definitely. So we have 3 different types of cube systems for hot function tests, for cold function tests, and also for bringing back to room temperature. So these are the 3 cases we are using the cube systems for.
And these are basically taking them down to, like as you can see in this case here, minus 50 or up to minus 50, should I say. It's to be able to test boards before they go into production.
Yeah, correct. Especially for the new products, as you know, many products, new products for safety reasons are going into the cars right now. So we have to make sure that these products are working pretty out very well, also under extreme conditions up to minus 50 degrees, as you said, and also, for example, testing by up to 80, 100 degrees plus, yeah.
So what different types do you have? You have a cold one?
Yeah, as I said, a cold one for going down to minus 50 degrees, a hot cube going up to possibly to 140, 150 degrees Celsius, and also one cube system which bring it back to room temperature again.
So when you cycle them from cold to hot, then you would basically bring it from cold back to room temperature, then room temperature up to hot?
It depending on the process, so different possibilities we have already included into the different plants, also of Continental, yeah. But most of the process is we have a combination of a cold function cube and a combination of the hot function cube. So we're doing the cold function test first and doing the hot temperature treatment afterwards, and yeah.
So what sort of capacity does this system here have?
Standardized, we have 2 different types. The one, as you can see here, with 16 clusters, and a bigger one with 20 clusters inside. And depending on the product size, you can put one product into one cluster, or if it are small products, you can put also 2 or 3 products into one cluster, yeah.
Cluster being a tray or system?
Yeah, right, yeah. Correct.
And what's the cycle time to get it to temperature?
Of course, it depends on the process, but it's possible going down to 15, 16 seconds, yeah.
So it's quite fast then?
Yeah, definitely, yeah.
So explain to us how Continental uses this system.
So the whole story, let me say, the history of this cube system began 4 or 5 years ago. It was a kind of a collaboration between Continental Automotive and SMT. So because the demand was there to have this kind of system on a small footprint, that's why this product was developed, and so far it turned out very well. It's a kind of a little success story between our 2 companies, and up to now we sold 12, 14, 16 cubes to Continental plants worldwide, yeah.
Right. And I believe they're using them essentially at new product introduction.
Correct.
How exactly does that work?
So they usually use it for a safe launch test. So as you said, when they have new products going into the market, they want to make sure that these products, especially safety products, work out pretty well. So they make sure they're working under these extreme conditions. And for example, they do a safe launch test for the first 5,000, 10,000 units. And if they see it turns out that no failure rate isn't that high, so they go into the direct production.
Straight into production after that?
Correct.
Okay, great. Well, Michael, I want to thank you for giving us some information about the SMT cubes. Of course, you'll get more on their website, but for now, thank you for joining us.
Thank you very much. You're welcome.